welcome back to my channel. I'm Paul Sambo. In today's video, we are going to unbox and review one of the important equipment that everyone should have if wants to start a YouTube channel. This tool is multi-purpose. It can be used as a tripod to hold a smartphone or a camera when you are shooting videos, or it can be used as a selfie stick for vloggers or when you are vlogging. So it is cheap, it is affordable, and the quality is really amazing. And that tool that we are going to review today is this one.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if you want to get the details on how to create a channel, a YouTube channel, I'll put the link in the description below because I've already created that video so that you can learn more on how you can start your YouTube channel.